Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to remove GCash from Google Play. In this quick tutorial, let's show how to remove GCash from your Google Play account. First, open the Play Store and ensure you're signed into the account you want to update. Tap your profile in the top right corner, then go to Payments and Subscriptions, select Payment Methods. Next, click on More Payment Settings, which will open a browser window. Confirm you're in the same Google account, then tap the triple bar menu in the top left and select Payment Methods. You'll see Gcash listed. Press Remove to disconnect it. After removing, it's a good idea to double check that Gcash no longer appears in your payment options to ensure the change was successful. This simple process safely disconnects Gcash from Google Play in just a few steps. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.